Hello, Jutta family. All the cat enclosures had some maintenance repairs and a much needed revamp. They all have fresh pebbles. The tall enclosures now have designated litter trays, and the other low enclosures all had their pebbles redone and litter trays cleaned out and fresh stuff, fresh sand put on it. The cats are very curious about it. These pebbles are bigger than what there was there before, but they don't seem to mind. It's also nice and tidy, thanks to Apostolia looking after the cats and yogis. You see, new litter and litter trays all over.